Fixing broken hyperlinks in your Canva PDF downloads is actually very simple once you know what is causing the issue. Most Canva PDFs completely lose their clickable links because of one specific setting chosen during the export process. Let's fix this right now inside your design. First, look at the specific elements where you want to add your links. You cannot just type out a web address and expect it to work automatically. You need to attach the link to the actual object itself, whether that is a block of text, an image, or a button. Select that specific element, click on the link icon in the top menu, and paste the full URL. The important thing is that you must include the full address, starting with https://. If you leave that prefix out, the link will likely fail. Once pasted, click Apply. Now, if you previously styled your links by removing the default underlines, this might actually be why they stopped working. Some PDF readers fail to recognize hidden link metadata, so try keeping the underline active or using a standard link style to ensure compatibility. Once your elements are properly linked, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Under the File Type drop-down, choose either PDF Standard or PDF Print. This next step is where most people make a mistake. Look closely at the Settings checkboxes below the file type. You will see an option that says Flatten PDF. You must ensure that Flatten PDF is toggled off. When you turn flattening on, Canva merges all the design layers into a single flat image. The catch here is that while flattening makes your file size smaller and locks your design elements in place, it completely strips away all digital functionality, meaning all your hyperlinks are permanently erased. Leaving it toggled off preserves those interactive layers. After ensuring it is untoggled, click Download. Once the file is on your computer, do not just test it inside the Canva editor, as links are not always active there. Open the downloaded PDF file using a dedicated reader like Adobe Acrobat or Faucet Reader. Click on your links to verify they redirect correctly. If a link still fails, back out of the file, return to Canva, delete the broken link entirely, paste the full URL fresh, and re-download without flattening. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.